Hi Tim, my name's Christian Rinna. I'm with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow or Trulia or Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So it looks like you actually don't have a website. I do have your Facebook page pulled up here, so obviously you understand the value of being online. But then when I type in like Tim Rushing Realtor, you are in Homes.com and Realtor.com, and so I'm not sure how you are, if you're paying for these services or how much these are bringing you in. But as far as this video goes, because you don't have a website, I'm going to use another website called the209agent.com because they pulled up in Turlock, California Realtors. And so I'm just going to show you an example of somebody who has a website in your area and how basic it can be. This website's actually not the best, but it is an example in your area. And so when you do decide to get your own website, if you do, you can either A, build one yourself, or B, pay somebody. And it's really not that expensive. But there's some things you're going to want to take into consideration when building your website. And so those things are content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. So Google loves content. The more content you provide on your website, the more value you bring to the internet, and the higher your website is going to rank, and the more visible it's going to be. So you want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. And then also you want to make sure that your photos are saved properly. So content isn't just the words on your website, it's also the photos and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so as you can see, Eric Rodriguez, he doesn't have 1,500 words. His photos actually aren't saved the right way, but he does have a website. So I'm not sure how much value this website's bringing him. But he is in the map pack. So either way, you want to have 1,500 words and you want all your photos saved the right way with the proper content. So next, I typed in Turlock, California Realtors. Okay, we have Powerhouse Atlantic and Exit Realty Consultants. Okay, so you're not here, obviously. You don't have a Google My Business page. And then if you look, I'm not sure actually what brokerage you're with, so I'm not sure. But either way, you're not here. One way or another, you're not here. So if we look in the map pack down here, I'd like to point out that just because you're not a brokerage doesn't mean you can't have your Google My Business page pull up in the top 3 or at least on the main page. So Mike Anderton, he's here. We got Eric Rodriguez from the 209 Agent. He's here too. Looks like Angeles Lomalai, Clarissa Esvedo, Fonzie the Agent. So these agents are here, even though they don't have, even though they're not their own brokerages. Maybe some are, maybe some aren't, but that's why I wanted to show you over here. So I would recommend, getting in Google My Business has to do with citations. What a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So that's how these guys got here. Various directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. All of those directories give you citations which help you rank in this map pack. But you're going to have a Google My Business page, which Eric Rodriguez from the 209 Agent has one here. So this is an example of one. I'm not sure if you do have one. Sorry if you do. I couldn't find it. But either way, this is what you want to get. And then we recommend minimum 25 reviews. So as you can see, Eric has only 17. But granted, he is not in the top 3. But we recommend 25 reviews, and then obviously your address, hours, phone. You can use your office address, and then if you work out of your home, you don't even have to have your address shown. So if that's something that concerns you, or you can use your office address. And then the last thing is these photos. So we recommend 10 photos minimum. So when you create your Google My Business page, make sure to have 10 photos. And then again, just make sure that you save those photos the right way. And that's going to help you be seen. So as you can see, Eric has way more than 10, and he has some reviews. So he is well on his way to becoming in that first position. But this is an example of a Google My Business page, and then with some citations, you can definitely rank up and be on this first page for Turlock, California Realtors. So the last thing is backlinks. What a backlink is once you get your domain, so this is the 209agent.com. Once you get your domain, say timrushing.com or whatever you want it to be, you're gonna want to put that out into the atmosphere of the internet. And so the more you put it out, the more backlinks you're going to get. The thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure your backlinks are coming from sites that are relevant to the real estate industry and not spammy. So as you can see, the 209 agent, he has 13 backlinks from 5 referring domains, but yet his domain rating is 0.2. That's a 0.2 out of 100, so very low. You could easily beat the 209 agent. Like we said, there wasn't the content there, and obviously they don't have the backlinks. But either way, I hope that you can, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to get yourself a website and implement these tips and tricks into it to bring you some revenue and some leads this upcoming season. And so if you have any questions or comments or feedback, feel free to get in touch with us. And thank you very much for watching.